Hello, and thank you for joining me for my resume review. My name is Jeff Horton. I am currently in the market for a new career home. In this video, I will be touching base on my work experience with Methods Machine Tool and Prism Specialties. I interviewed with Methods Machine Tool for production manager role. After our meeting and reviewing my background, Methods decided to offer me a position of project manager. They believe that my customer-facing experience in automation, automotive, and manufacturing made me a good fit for their project manager role. I accepted the position and was hired on in April of 2022. I quickly realized the role was a great match for my skills and interest. The project manager role required consistent interaction with engineering, contractors, vendors, sales, design, manufacturing, and of course, the customer. I found myself engaged and involved in every phase of the project, from concept design through production readiness support at the customer's facility. This involvement allowed me to utilize my experience while continuing to grow professionally. My background brought a different viewpoint to the table when working with the engineering and customer teams. I brought real life manufacturing floor knowledge into the design and build of our projects. I have the experience of looking at the bigger picture that will come upon production use. I have the mindset of workflow, safety, and continuous improvements that may be overlooked during the design stage. As project manager, I successfully managed up to 10 multi-million-dollar turnkey projects concurrently. Tracking of the project financials, labor, and scheduling was accomplished through various ERP software platforms. Infor CSI, ServiceNow, and Microsoft Suite products were utilized for the majority of our tracking. Additionally, Salesforce, Concur, Zoom, SolidWorks, and FANUC RoboGuide were all used on a regular basis to keep the projects moving forward and ensure that all key deliverables were met. Consistent contact and engagement with customers, vendors, and internal teams were always a top priority for our projects, ensuring clear communication for successful outcomes. I was responsible for maintaining budgetary reviews and accounting, including labor and expense tracking throughout the entire project and post-project reviews. As the time went on, the automotive industry facing uncertainties and the US presidential change caused an impact to the industry's direction and stability. This created a misalignment in my long-term career goals, prompting me to keep my eyes open for new opportunities. I was contacted by a recruiter regarding a promising role that offered greater stability and was not dependent on the automotive industry. I took on a temporary contract to hire role with Prism Specialties as a commercial project manager starting in October of 2024. The role was presented to me as a non-automotive industry reliant, and I looked at it as a great opportunity to continue my desired career path in project management. The chance to apply my experience in a new industry while being able to grow was appealing and aligned well with my career goals. As a project manager with Prism Specialties, I was tasked with overseeing the restoration process at the customer's facility following a catastrophic event such as fire and flood. Our team would promptly visit the affected site and inspect the equipment for damages. The primary objective was to minimize the total loss of equipment by restoring it to operational status. After conducting the initial walkthrough and assessments, we would assemble our technician team and mobilize resources to initiate the restoration process. This involved close coordination with various outside contractors, OEM suppliers, and specialized repair personnel. Depending on the size of the loss, the timeline of on-site support could be anywhere from 1 day to several months. The projects that I was involved with were anywhere from a single day visit to several weeks at the customer's site. During this time, I was directly responsible for the technicians assigned to the project, including arranging housing, transportation, and meals. This required careful planning and constant communication to ensure the customer's needs were met and the project momentum was maintained. The projects were tracked through ERP software specifically designed for Prism Specialties, alongside Microsoft Suite products and a well-known contractor's T&M software. We performed daily repair and cost analysis audits to repair operation expenses to insurance adjusters, ensuring equipment repair expectancy and the operational accuracy throughout the restoration process. Following the project completion, a comprehensive post-project audit was conducted to confirm that all time and materials used were properly accounted for and billed accordingly. During my time with Prism Specialties, it became apparent that my lack of insurance knowledge and experience with the restoration guidelines and protocols was a significant gap. The company placed strong emphasis on understanding insurance restoration guidelines, and this knowledge is critical for representing Prism Specialties and the customer in discussions with the insurance companies. Without a background in restoration or insurance protocols, I found that it was not ideally suited for this industry, and this realization influenced my decision regarding my future career path. Thank you.